Are we splitting the bill? Well, sir, you see, there was actually a...
Carrying his hand again! He got me twice!
Too slow? Better luck next time. That was good. You win. Oh, sorry guys. I think this gentleman here has already paid the bill, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel this charge.
What? He did it half an hour ago! Oh, that's why he went to the bathroom!
Max, tell Sharon to refund the whole bill altogether, okay? Okay, sure thing, boss. Thank you.
Boss, what does he mean? He owns the restaurant!
Oh, good luck. I had the pleasure of serving you Beijing Kong, our favorite brand and our bestseller. For you, my friend, your next shipment's of Beijing Kong for free. You're the CEO of Beijing Kong? Oh, I try to be low-key about it. So you're the man, the myth, the legend. Then you must know my company, Beijing Farming Company. I am your farmer.